Each program is required to establish proper personnel policies and procedures. We want you to know that ChildPlus is here to support that process. This video will cover a few ways the software can be used to show compliance with mandates related to Subpart I of the performance standards. My name is Belicia Carter, and this is Amy Corkery. Amy, let's dive right in with 1302.90b. Before a person is hired, a program must conduct an interview, verify references, conduct a sex offender registry check, and obtain state, tribal, or FBI criminal history along with fingerprints.
That can be a lot to keep up with, but each of those items can be tracked in the Personnel module. Start with the Employment tab and scroll down to the Background section. Here you'll find multiple fields related to the criminal check. We use the Comment section to document the types of background and the receipt of fingerprints. Just under that, you will see a checkbox for references, and the last set of fields are for physical and TB checks, which will help you comply with 1302.93 Staff Health and Wellness.
Now, that covers most of the items, but for the rest, move on over to the General tab and consider adding fields to the Agency-Specific Information section. This will provide a place to track the actual date of the interview and the outcome of the sex offender registry check. We also added a date field to keep track of when this information was last updated.
Create 2 custom filters, one to track any staff with an initial hire date of more than 30 days and that is missing any of the required items. The second filter will help you locate any staff members that were updated more than 4 years ago. Both filters can be used to send text and email notifications to staff members using ChildPlus.
There are several types of positions listed in 1302.91, which covers staff qualifications and competency requirements. Use the Education tab to track education levels for staff, making sure to use the correct sections for ECE, FCP, FCC, and home-based staff members.
Each year, staff should complete a minimum of 15 hours of professional development, and yes, we have a place for that too. Keep track of trainings in the Professional Development module. Begin by entering general information such as date, location, and hours. Add trainees and attach supporting documents. Attachments can include agendas, sign-in sheets, trainer bios, anything like that.
Don't let anyone slip through the cracks. Monitor all areas on a regular basis and update records as needed.
And don't let this and other useful videos slip by you either. Be sure to like us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel for weekly updates.